Every corner of our planet has a hidden history buried beneath the soil. Today, we're going on a global tour to see the incredible, prehistoric monsters that once ruled your home. We start in Germany with Archaeopteryx. Known as the first bird, it was only the size of a crow. While it had sharp teeth and a dinosaur tail, it was more of a scientific marvel than a deadly threat. In Pakistan, we find one of the largest land mammals ever, Paraceratherium. This hornless rhinoceros stood nearly 16 feet at the shoulder. Its sheer size and weight made it a living fortress that ruled the ancient forests of Asia. To the frozen north in Russia, where the woolly mammoth reigned supreme, these shaggy giants were perfectly adapted for the brutal Siberian cold with thick fur and tusks reaching for meters long. They lived alongside early humans. In the United Kingdom, we find Arthroplura. This was the largest creepy crawly to ever exist. Imagine a millipede the size of a car, while it mainly ate decaying plants. Its sheer size and armored body would be enough to give anyone a heart attack. Canada was the territory of the short-faced bear. This was the largest mammalian land carnivore in North American history, standing 12 feet tall on its hind legs and capable of sprinting at 40 miles per hour. In the Philippines, Megalodon, fossilized teeth found in the islands reveal a shark the size of a school bus, with a bite force greater than a T-Rex. It was the absolute ruler of the prehistoric seas. In India, the Rajasaurus was the undisputed king. This heavy-set carnivore used its thick, crested skull to headbutt rivals and dominate the prehistoric Indian landscape. In the USA, the T-Rex remains the gold standard for power, with a bite force of 12,000 pounds, enough to explode bone. This 9-ton titan had the most lethal jaws in the history of the world. 10 countries, 10 legends. Which of these prehistoric giants would you want to see in the wild? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more ancient history.